Happy Tuesday, everybody. Almost springtime. I forgot to tell you, last week I had the most awesome download. Woke me up. Bright, beautiful parrot sitting on my backyard fence. I was just sleeping and bam, the vision came up. Totally woke me up. This beautiful, oh my God, the colors were just amazing. And I was looking, spirit animal. So then, I didn't even think of it too much. I looked it up and stuff. But then this morning, download, macaw. I wasn't thinking about it. It's like, are you kidding me? A macaw is a parrot. And they're most beautiful, beautiful colors. And I'm like, well, I don't know, maybe we could have not just one spirit animal because of our prior lives that we had. But, yeah. So that was wild. Just woke me up. And I'm thinking, maybe because I'm bold and speak out the truth. Could be. What's your spirit animal? Well, I'll keep you posted on what other downloads I get with respect to that. But very interesting. I'm on my way to go shopping for food and make my good chicken and veggie lunch and yogurt and nuts and fruit. Yeah, gonna go see the Medicare people at Jewel. Okay, till next time. Peace out. Shine your light. You be you. No apologies. Peace out.